What is good, Wavy Gang, man? Hey, look at your boy, Wavy. Hey, look, it's been a long time since I made a video, man. As y'all can see, the hair is messed up, man. I ain't trying to show it. It's been about 2 months since I uploaded, you feel me? So, but we back though, you feel me? You know, we back trying to be consistent, you know, than what we was before, you feel me? I'm not gonna lie, since I've been away for about 2 months, I have lost some progress, you know what I'm saying? I haven't really been brushing like that. As you can see, I've been wearing a hat mainly. You know what I mean? The waves, don't expect it to be the same like it was before, because it's not. This video, you know, of course, we're gonna go back, we're gonna do a washing style method. That's our main thing. You feel me? But I will let y'all see what I'm working with as of right now. But otherwise than that, so those who are, you know, just now getting on board with the whole wave thing, you can now start out with me, you know what I'm saying, since I lost progress, you feel me? I'm gonna let y'all see what I'm working with, you know, with the waves, time up, you know what I'm saying? So, I ain't had a haircut in a long time. It's been a while, so, you know what I'm saying? It look rough. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm working with, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? It's looking rough, you feel me? So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. That's my, you know what I mean? So, I don't know if y'all can see or not. But yeah, it's rough, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, so don't mind that. My hair is dry too. It's dry. Ain't been brushing in a while. So y'all can tell like I'm rough, you feel me? So this right here, I'm gonna show y'all that what my method and what I do, it works. So y'all see how crazy my hair is. My hair is dry, you know what I'm saying? I got a little damage, you know what I'm saying? Hey, but it's dry, it's rough, all that, you feel me? But I'm gonna show y'all that my method works. Don't expect it to be crazy looking good after I do this washing style method, because it's not, I'm gonna be real. It's not, it's gonna take a little time for me to get back to where I was. And then of course, you know, of us being consistent, we're gonna go above and beyond than what we was before, you feel me? So boom. This video gonna be a washing style. Next video, tune in. I'm gonna do a little brush. I mean, not a brush, a little cut. You know what I'm saying? I just got me some new clippers. You feel me? Got some Walls and Andes. So yeah, y'all tune into that. But before we start this video, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man, do it all. But let's get into that video.
It's Crossfinger, baby. Here I come, you can't hide. Gonna find you and take it slowly. Ready or not, here I come, you can't hide. Gonna find you and take it slowly.
shorty. Go!